Morning, McGraw.
All right. How are we doing with the markets on Friday? We were down a little bit, weren't we?
Yes, we were. Friday, the Dow was down 40 points, closed at 23,422. Now, the Dow was down 0.5% for the week, and the loss snapped an 8-week winning streak. Now, while earnings are coming through and the economy is growing, investors are concerned about the tax overall stalling until next year. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.397%. So, first weekly loss in a few weeks.
Yeah, let's wait and see what happens with that tax thing this week. What are we hearing from Boeing?
Now, Boeing received a big order over the weekend. Emirates Airlines, the largest operator of the Airbus 380, will buy 40 new 787 Dreamliners worth about $15 billion. This is a big win for Boeing and a big unexpected loss for Airbus. They thought they had the order, but lost out to Boeing. So that's nice.
All right, that's good news. And then GE's making some news this morning.
Right. GE will focus on three businesses. They're healthcare, power, and aviation. They'll be pulling back from lighting, which traces its back to its founding from Thomas Edison. They will also pull back from transportation. GE is one of the biggest maker of diesel trains in the world, and they're going to cut their dividend by half.
That's the second. By the way, what's that? The second time they've done it in their history that they've cut their dividend.
You could be right.
Yeah.
You could be right. They're doing this, I guess, with the new CEO John Flannery to try to preserve cash for the restructuring. So
yeah, that's GE. And then what overall tech stocks? How are we doing?
It's been a good year for big tech stocks. In fact, the top tech stocks added $1.7 trillion in market cap this year. That is bigger than Canada's entire economy. The top tech stocks are Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, and their Asian peer, Alibaba. This is partly why technology has been so strong this year.
Yeah, interesting. All right, and then markets today as we get going.
Today the Dow looks off, so down a little bit on the futures, 30 points. We get more earnings this week and a few economic reports, but most investors are waiting to hear about tax reform, like you mentioned earlier.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. Great as always. Talk to you tomorrow.